of Alam Law Firm, one of the largest and leading personal injury and insurance litigation law firm. There are 12 in-house lawyers and over 35 legal staff. Alam Law Firm specializes in personal injury and insurance litigation by helping injured people and those who have been denied coverage by insurance companies. Mr. Alam is also a qualified mediator, and he works with Mr. Aftab Alam as a qualified mediator and a qualified arbitrator. He won several awards of distinctions in legal field. He won several novel cases in the areas of insurance litigation, medical malpractice, product liability, policy negligence, etc., including a landmark case. Definitely, I think that deserves more applause than that. Including a landmark case about Sharia marriage and its complication with the Canadian law. He is a very vocal and active in legal field to raise awareness in the community for legal and more specifically insurance matters. He is a very active member of Ontario Trial Lawyers Association for insurance matters, and to name a few, American